Hello everyone, Nish Vice President Dream Home here with you. Today I want to talk about some of the recent questions that we've received on some of our social media posts regarding storm damage, hail and wind events. A few of you have responded and asked questions of, hey, if I had hail or if I had hail damage, I think I would have noticed. Yes and no. The problem with hail is they range in diameter of 1/4 of an inch to 2 or 3 inches. Typically in the DMV area, we see anywhere from 1 inch to 2 inch hail. That's between dime size to 1/4 size. And when hail comes down with the velocity it does from the sky and pelts down on your roof or your siding, it shows some visible damage and some basically invisible damage. The visible damage is to your siding, some of the metal mechanics around your house and stuff like that. You can see dents in your around your home. But when it comes to damage on your roof, that's where it gets a little bit scary. What that hail does when it comes down and hits your roof is it creates a little bit of pelt marks. And what it does, it exposes the fiberglass mat underneath the granules of your shingle. And what that does, it exposes that shingle and the underneath part of your roof, which is what we call the decking boards and the plywood. The purpose of the roof in the first place was to protect your home from moisture. And when you have small penetrations that are on your roof now, it is opening up your home and making it liable to moisture. So what happens is, because it's not some huge hole that's going to allow a waterfall of rain come through your home and it's going to become visible immediately, it actually causes what we call a slow death to the roof. So that hail comes in, it creates small drips, small little leaks in your roof, and the wood underneath your roof starts to now absorb that stuff. Then your decking boards start to get rotted out, and a lot of times when we take off shingles for replacement, we find out that the job is now double what it needed to be just because of the framing and the trusses and the decking board that now need to be replaced. So if you feel like you had hail damage or any sort of wind damage, get on top of it right away. You can check out our website and go into our storm tracker, type in your address, and it will let you know exactly what kind of damage or the extent of damage that you may have had, and then you can get a trained professional out there to let you know the extent of the damage. If you thought this video was helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and follow our channel and stay tuned to more home improvement updates and news in your industry.